Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Fiat 500 guys and you need to remove or replace door window guys, okay, we'll demonstrate on the driver door right there, but if you need to do the passenger door, it will be the same way. We will show you guys how to remove and how to replace your window or how to remove it. Stay with us guys and we'll cover that today. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the show we make at least 200 videos, and specifically on this Fiat 500 guys we'll have probably close to 300-400 videos guys. We'll be taking it completely apart and we'll show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do all that guys? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys so we can keep providing these free repair videos to you. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, all the stuff that we use, you can find the links in the description box for your convenience, so please check it out guys. This is the window and let's go ahead, start on it and show you okay what we need to do to remove and replace it now. So let us show you guys what we'll be doing next. Okay, now the door panel. In order to remove the door panel guys, we need to remove a few covers, a few bolts, a few screws as well, so that's what we'll be starting on now. So the first cover that we need to remove is right here. You can see where the door handle is. Just pry that one guys, and you're going to find here now, okay, you have two screws with a Allen wrench right here. Okay, those are the two screws that we need to remove, and this is guys, okay, we need a small Allen wrench. So let's see, I think it's a 5 millimeters, so we'll go ahead and remove it guys. All the tools and parts that we use in our videos, you can find the links in the description of the video below. Share it for your convenience, so please feel free to check it out guys. Okay, you can see first screw is coming out. Now we're going to work on the second one. Okay, almost there. Okay, perfect. Now guys, we need to come towards the side. Okay, on the back side of the door we have two more caps that we need to remove, smaller caps. Careful not to scratch your door. Gently pull those out with a small screwdriver. One here, one towards the bottom. Okay, and here we have two screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Phillips head screwdriver guys. Okay, that we need to go ahead and remove. Okay, one is out. Working on the second one now here. Okay, you can see how easy that Fiat is guys. Some vehicles, it's extremely complicated procedure to actually remove front door panel. On this one, not complicated at all. It doesn't take much. So just that screw, okay, it's getting loose, but it is a little bit stuck now guys. So okay, it came out. You need to shake it a little bit. So next guys, okay, right here we have one cover that we need to pop loose. Okay, careful not to break anything. Perfect, you can see. And on the inside guys, okay, we have one screw that we need to remove with an Allen wrench. Okay guys, it's inside. Ours was a little bit loose, so okay, right there we need to go ahead and remove that screw. Ours is broken there, okay, that's why it's moving, so be careful. Whoever removed that thing last time, okay, they didn't do it the right way. So as a result guys, okay, as a result you can see ours is broken, and we wanted to show you that so yours guys, okay, is not going to break just like ours did. So this one is loose. It will come loose when we continue removing the panel, so we'll continue with the next step. Now guys, gotta make sure that we don't have anything else. What we're going to do, we have a few clips. We'll get a plastic panel removal tool, very important, so you don't scratch your door. We always start on the front, so if you scratch something it's not going to be so visible. Try to pry with the tool the door open guys. Okay, let's find one place and just stay there and get your fingers underneath and just start pulling the clips. If the clips break guys, we will have the link in the description of the video below, and we will explain guys, okay, where you can find that, so you can actually replace yours. Now a few things that we need to do. Okay, right here, let me explain. This is the interior door handle cable. We need to release this one. Right here there is one clip. Press down, and when you press down guys, it's supposed to come out, but with one hand Okay, I got it out. Perfect. Okay, now we need to pull that thing to the side and disconnect it. We have one wire here. This is for the switch. Okay, the thing for pressing it in is right here, and disconnect it. You can see the door panel came out. Let us show you where all the clips are now located, guys, so you know what to expect. Now, we have right here on the back side 1, 2, 3 clips. One is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips, guys. 9 clips, and you can see a couple are missing, so if you need to buy replacement ones, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. So next, guys, we're going to remove that foam piece. Unfortunately, you cannot remove the whole thing because you have to remove the speaker, and if you want to remove the speaker, you have to drill it because it has it has rivets, not screws. Now this thing, you have to be careful how you remove it. Somebody, guys, that removed it broke it completely, so you will get a lot of wind noise. Insulation will not be great on the car as well, so you have to be, guys, careful how you remove it, because if you pull it correctly, you can readjust it later and you can re-stick it. Okay, this one sticks, but whoever worked on it last time, it just fell apart, guys. You can see just like that. So you can see if you need to remove it, you can just cut it, guys. Okay, cut the glue, careful not to scratch your door. And later that glue, guys, when you press it in, it actually reattaches again. So if not, you can use silicone to reattach it, and that way you will not get wind noise, and you will not get, guys, cold or hot air blowing through the door. That's why that thing is there, because otherwise you will get quite a bit of road noise and wind noise. So we're going to move it to the side, okay, like that, and we'll continue with the next step. So we can bring, guys, the window up and down now, okay, to actually see, okay, right here. I can release it from here, so that's good. To release, okay, the window right there, or we can bring it a little bit up, okay, to come to this hole, just a little bit more, okay, right there, perfect. And we'll show you how to do that. Okay, you will need to, okay, you can see that device, you're going to press it in with a screwdriver or something, and you're going to release the window, guys. Okay, just be careful, okay, not to break it, because, okay, perfect. Now while it's pressed in, okay, it beat it again. Okay, you're going to lift the window up, okay, like that. Just come up, okay, perfect. So let us show you now how to remove the window, guys. Okay, grab it. Now you need to pull that, okay, that seal right here on the door. Okay, this seal right here needs to come out. Okay, perfect, like that. And now, guys, okay, what I'm going to do, okay, what I'll do, I'll actually bring the window regulator all the way down, guys. Okay, let me show you now. We'll bring it all the way down. Let me get the ignition switch on. Okay. Perfect. By bringing it down, okay, I think we'll be able to twist the window. Okay, it has one holder right here. So, okay, right there, guys. And you can pull the window out. Okay, you can see just like that. We get it out of the way. So that's how you guys remove the window. You can see on front door on Fiat 500, guys, installing it practically is in reverse order. We took it apart. It's very important to have that thing right here, otherwise your window will not go up and down. Okay, so this thing goes in a canal. Make sure that you install it correctly later. Okay, right here, and all that should be good, guys. So if you need to buy any parts or tools, guys, replacement parts, tools that we use, we'll have the links in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.